Good morning, everybody. First of all, I am really thankful to you all for joining skill development program with a very short notice. Just yesterday, I circulated this message and requested students to join the WhatsApp group. There are more than 150 students, those who joined the WhatsApp group. Before I proceed for the day, I would like to introduce the skill development program, which is an initiative of Internal Quality Assurance Cell of Sri Haugiswai Mahavidyalaya Udgir and Department of English of the same college. The purpose of introducing this program is to make our students aware about different skill sets. As you know very well, the change which is caused by globalization, liberalization, and technological development all over the world is actually multifaceted. The trade and commerce have been influencing so much that it entirely changed the job market scenario. The people from different nations, cultural backgrounds, they come together in order to address the requirements of the present generation. And in this view, being the head of the Department of English, I feel the responsibility that we need to do something for all these budding professionals studying in different colleges, pursuing different courses, and provide them an online platform so that they can develop their skill sets. And in the view of it, I thought, like, whether I could really spend a couple of hours for all these students belonging to different colleges, and I could train them online. The another purpose of this skill development program is to provide an online platform during the pandemic situations, because all of us are held up at home. And of course, the students should not be deprived from the opportunity of learning. Then I thought, if I could deliver a few lectures or a series of lectures on different skill components, that will be definitely helpful to the students. So I think the skills like 21st century skills, soft skills, various communication skills like LSRW, cross-cultural communication, stress management, time management, positive attitude, scientific point of view, these are the most essential skills of the day, and every learned person should acquire these skills during the education, whatever education that you are pursuing now, maybe degree, PG, or any other. So in the view of it, last week I spoke on the scientific point of view. That was the topic I dealt with in Marathi. And already I have informed you that our different topics will be held in Marathi, Hindi, and English, depending on the requirement of the topic. And today, I came up with a new topic, that is self-discovery. Friends, I hope you know that identifying the self, discovering the self, is the most essential thing nowadays. Because unless you really think on the right lines with all the potential that you have, probably you will not be able to really discover yourself and discover your own potential. The topic that I have taken up today is something related to everybody, irrespective of our belonging, caste, creed, and other aspects which are related to our survival. They are all very, very important. If you see, being an individual, each one of us has some or the other good and bad qualities. And here my topic begins. I would like to start with a poem, very renowned, famous poem, First Make a Better You. The poem goes like this: first make a better you. So little time, so much to do. To make the world much better, first make a better you. Success will come wherever you are. Do not fear to do and dare. Why search for love and laughter? You can find it anywhere. To make the world much better, first make a better you. First make a better you. First make a better you. दोस्तों, ये जो कविता मैंने आपके सामने प्रस्तुत की है, इसका पोएट कौन है मैं तो नहीं जानता, लेकिन ये हमारे अस्तित्व के साथ जुड़ी है। अगर आप आपके इर्द गिर्द दुनिया में देखें, कई तरह के कई सारे लोग आपको देखने को मिलेंगे। कुछ अच्छे होंगे, कुछ बुरे होंगे, लेकिन यह जरूर है कि आपको केवल बुरा या केवल अच्छा आदमी कभी देखने को नहीं मिलेगा। बिकॉज all of us, all the human beings are the mixture of virtues and vices. हम में कुछ खामियां भी हैं, हम में कुछ अच्छाइयां भी हैं, and we live together with all these qualities. यह जो मैंने आपके सामने कविता प्रस्तुत की है, it gives you the same message. First make a better you. Probably you have heard 3 words in English: good, better, best. And here the poet has treated everybody as a good person. But what is expected? it is expected that you should try to be better, and once you become better you should try to be the best. शायद आपको मेरी बात समझ में आ गई। हम सब अच्छे हैं, हम जितने अच्छे हैं उससे और अच्छा होने का प्रयास करें। अगर हम उससे और अच्छा बन पाए तो हम सर्वोत्तम बनने की कोशिश करें। If at all you think on these lines, I think you can definitely change yourself. You can definitely change a few more people, those who are influenced by you, around you. And that's why the poet says here, first make a better you. So much little time, so much to do. हमारे पास वक्त बहुत कम है, लेकिन बहुत कुछ करना है। And if at all you really want to make this world much better, first of all you need to make yourself better. अगर आप ये दुनिया जैसी है उससे अच्छा बनाना चाहते हो तो सबसे पहले अपने आप को और अच्छा बनाने की कोशिश करो। Success will come wherever you are. Do not fear to do anything. ये जो सक्सेस है, ट्रायम्फ है, विक्ट्री है, ये अपने आप आपके कदम चूमेगी। किसी चीज से, किसी बात से डरने की कोई जरूरत नहीं। हिम्मत करो, आगे बढ़ो, and then you will see that whatever you really want to achieve, your targets, your goals, your destination, you will definitely achieve it in the course of life. Why search for love and laughter? You can find it anywhere. ये चीजें तो हमारे इर्द गिर्द हमेशा ही है। It is the integral part of our life. पहले अपने आप को अच्छा बनाने की कोशिश करो। अगर आप अच्छे हैं उससे और अच्छा बनने की कोशिश करो। Let us see whether you can move towards being the best. इस तरह से ये एक अच्छा मैसेज देने की कोशिश इस स्लाइड के माध्यम से मैंने की है। Now you can see one image on your screen. Definitely ये स्क्रीन देखने के बाद कुछ लोगों को हंसी आई होगी। अरे ये मास्टर क्या बता रहा है? There is a cat looking its reflection into the mirror, and the mirror is reflecting the image of a lawyer. क्या हो रहा है? ऐसा होता भी है, ऐसा शायद आपने सोचा होगा। लेकिन मैं आप सभी लोगों से विनती करता हूं कि इस पर थोड़ा आप सोचें कि इस माध्यम से मैं आपके सामने क्या प्रस्तुत करने की कोशिश कर रहा हूं। ये लुइस ब्रायन जो है उसने इसके साथ बहुत अच्छा कैप्शन दिया है। What matters most is how you see yourself. है ना? दुनिया आपकी तरफ कैसे देखती है वो तो दुनिया का नजरिया है। Let it be. Let the whole world look at you in their own perceptions, with their own attitudes, with their own observations, so on and so on. But the thing is, how do you see yourself? अब इस माध्यम से ये जो एक कैट है, एक बिल्ली है जो आईने में देख रही है और आईने में उसको अपना प्रतिबिंब नहीं दिखाई देता। आईने में उसको सामने से एक शेर दिखाई देता है। इसका मतलब यह है कि दिस कैट has a very high level of confidence, number one. Number two, it does not treat itself as a small animal. समझ गए? As far as we people are concerned, I think many of us are the victims of inferiority complex. शायद ये सबसे बड़ी खामी हमारे अस्तित्व की है। What is that inferiority complex? हम खुद को कम समझते हैं, हम खुद को incompetent समझते हैं। Once you go out of your village, out of your town, or else you try your level best in order to get a job, present yourself to the panel of the interview. If your morale is high, if your confidence level is high, if your body language is positive, mind it well, everything will go positive. लेकिन दुर्भाग्यवश ये कहना पड़ता है कि हमारे पास ऐसे कई स्टूडेंट्स हैं जिनके पास ज्ञान है, जिनके पास कौशल्य है, जिनके पास बहुत कुछ है, लेकिन they find in a very different psychological condition called inferiority complex. मैं हमेशा अपने स्टूडेंट से कहता हूं, never be the victim of a complex, neither the superiority complex nor the inferiority complex. ना हमने खुद को बहुत श्रेष्ठ समझना चाहिए और ना ही हमने खुद को कनिष्ठ समझना चाहिए. माइंड इट वेल, अगर हम अपने आप को कम लेखना शुरू किए, इफ यू कंसिडर योर सेल्फ एज इंफीरियर टू अदर्स, एज इफ यू हैव लेस स्किल सेट देन अदर्स, व्हाट हैपेंस? योर मोरल विल गो डाउन, योर कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल विल वैनिश, and you will not be able to perform to your potential. अब हर एक व्यक्ति में कुछ ना कुछ तो अच्छाइयां होती है और कुछ खामियां भी होती है. जब तक हम अपनी खामियों को अच्छाई में ना बदले और अच्छाइयों को और अच्छे डायरेक्शन में ना ले जाएं, तब तक शायद we will not be able to form our personality as an influencing personality. In this context, I would like to quote the greatest ever dramatist in the world, William Shakespeare. क्या कहते हैं विलियम साहब? We know what we are, but we know not what we may become. I hope all of you understood the meaning of this statement. We know what we are. मैं क्या हूं, आप स्वतंत्र रूप से क्या है. Everybody knows about the self. But the problem is, as William Shakespeare says, but know not what we may become. हम आने वाले वक्त में कैसे होंगे, किस तरह से होंगे, क्या बनेंगे, क्या करेंगे, शायद इसके बारे में हमें ज्ञात नहीं. हमारा ज्ञान अधूरा है. So presently what you are familiar to. What you were in the past, that also you know. But the question is, we know not, NOT, what we may become. लेकिन हम आने वाले वक्त में क्या बनेंगे, कैसे बनेंगे, शायद हम इसके बारे में कुछ नहीं कह सकते. So friends, this topic, as I already told you in the title itself, that it is all about self-discovery. लेकिन हमारे सामने यह प्रश्न प्रस्तुत होता है कि what do you mean by self-discovery? If you go back to the history, especially English language history, you will find this kind of term, know thyself. Thy means yours, yourself, right? I'm not treating it for many people altogether. Self, not selves, right? तो हमें अपने आप को समझने का प्रयास आज करना है. What do you mean by all that? Know thyself, in the modern English, you can say like, know yourself. Actually, it is a term which was coined by great Greek philosopher Socrates. लेकिन मैं आप सभी लोगों से पूछना चाहूंगा कि खुद को पहचानना, खुद को समझना इतना आसान है? Already I proclaimed that I am not going to take you to the world of spirituality or spiritualism. मैं आप लोगों को आध्यात्मिक की ओर नहीं ले जा रहा हूं. My purpose of this talk is to make you realize what you are, how you are, and how can you become much better in the course of time with your own very sincere efforts. Whenever you say know thyself or know yourself or self-discovery, it means how do you manage your life? How do you guide others? How do you take the charge of situations? How do you perform whenever expected and required? How do you behave in relationships? All these things really depend on how effectively you use your strengths and identify your weaknesses. I hope you understood this. हम में कुछ अच्छाइयां हैं जिसे हम सामर्थ्य कहेंगे, हम में कुछ खामियां हैं जिसे हम वीकनेसेस कहेंगे. लेकिन सवाल यह है कि हाउ डू वी स्ट्रेंथन आवरसेल्फ, हाउ डू वी रियली कन्वर्ट आवर weaknesses into strengths so that our personality will be a shining one, will be an influential one. If at all you really want to do it in your personal life for yourself, then knowing yourself is to know your true identity. आपकी पहचान क्या है, आप कौन है, आप में पोटेंशियल क्या है, व्हाट इज योर पोटेंशियल, व्हाट इज योर कैपेसिटी. Once you come to know about all that, I can assure you that you will be definitely performing much better. As far as this particular point is concerned, I would like to let you know what are the benefits of knowing yourself. अगर आप एक बार अपने आप को जान गए, अपने आप को समझ गए, आपकी बुद्धिमत्ता, आपका सामर्थ्य, आपकी शक्तियां अगर आपके समझ में आ गई, I think you can really do wonders in your life. What are the benefits of knowing yourself? Once you know yourself, your own potential, your capacity, your ability, you will realize that you are in a position to control your emotions. Whatever goals that you set in your life, you can move towards the goals in order to achieve the goals. It will definitely help you to reach out to better decisions. You will never have a dilemma. You will never have a confused state of mind once you try to take your own decisions. Moreover, it will help you to improve your relationship with the people around. Similarly, it will make you realize what your potential is, and automatically as a whole, your outlook to life will also be changed, and you will definitely experience happiness around you. See, I'm beginning with emotion, ending with another emotion like happiness. I know that all these things are very complex. But as a matter of fact, once you know your ability, once you know your strength, जिसे हम सामर्थ्य कहना चाहेंगे हिंदी में, I think this will definitely make you realize what actually you are. And once you realize yourself, once you discover yourself, automatically you will experience all these benefits in your life. But what is the process of knowing yourself? अपने आप को जब हम जानने की कोशिश करेंगे, पहचानने की कोशिश करेंगे, is there any specific process? Actually, there are different processes that can be followed. जैसे कि, many people maintain their personal diary. There are a few people, those who meditate every day. There are a few people, those who are doing introspection every day, exercising regularly, going for a drive or a walk or swimming. These are also helping you out to explore yourself, to get into your own self. Similarly, developing some hobbies, going for some outings, having some new area of interest where you can get involved yourself and test yourself again and again. I think this will also help you a lot as far as your realization is concerned. But here the question is, once you adopt any of these processes, mind it well, you will realize that day after day, you start knowing more and more about you. You can do with a very simple practice in your life. Once you end up with the day, go to your bed. Before sleeping, just give a couple of minutes for yourself and think, how many people did you hurt today? There are how many people whom did you really, convinced and gave them happiness? What are the good things that you did today? What are the bad things that you did today? Just do it for 15 days or so, you will realize that. And whatever poem that I started with, first make a better you, so much little time, so much to do to make the world much better. First make a better you. You will be on this particular path. Got it? But you need to follow it very sincerely, very regularly. Then only the things are possible. Otherwise, no. Now you see here, there is a famous philosopher, Tao Te Ching. I really like this statement made by him. Knowing others is intelligence. Knowing yourself is wisdom. Knowing others is strength. And the last statement is very important. Mastering yourself is power. क्या है ये चार शब्द? इंटेलिजेंस माने बुद्धिमत्ता, आपका पांडित्य. विजडम माने सयानापन, जैसे हम मराठी में उसको शहानपन कहते हैं. विजडम यानी सयानापन. स्ट्रेंथ माने सामर्थ्य, और पावर माने शक्ति. See how beautifully Tao Te Ching has organized all these four words. Of course, knowing others, ये आपका पांडित्य सिद्ध करता है. जब आप खुद को जान लेते हो, इसका मतलब आप सयाने हो. लेकिन जब आप दूसरों को जानते हो, तो निश्चित तौर पर आपके पास सामर्थ्य है. लेकिन जब आप खुद को सेल्फ डिस्कवर करते हो, जब आप मास्टर योरसेल्फ, ये आपकी एक शक्ति बन जाता है. तो जब भी आप दुनिया की तरफ देखना शुरू करें, माइंड इट वेल, आई थिंक मास्टरिंग योरसेल्फ इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इन लाइफ. ऑफ कोर्स हमें अपने इर्द गिर्द लोगों की तरफ देखना चाहिए, उनको समझना चाहिए, उनके तौर तरीके, उनका चाल चलन, उनकी सोच, उनका ज्ञान, जो कुछ हमारे काम आ सके हमें लेना चाहिए। लेकिन अगर आप सच में सयाने हो तो सबसे पहले आप खुद को डिस्कवर करने की कोशिश करो। जितनी ताकत, जितना सामर्थ्य आप में इर्द गिर्द के लोगों को समझने का है, उसी सामर्थ्य के साथ आप खुद को नियंत्रित करना सीखें। Once you master yourself, once you discover yourself, you will come to know about what power do you have, what energy do you have, how best you can perform, what best can you really do in your own life. Automatically, you will be on the way to realize your potential. And until and unless you come to know about your own potential, your own ability, your own strength, mind it well, you will not be able to really perform much better. Now, in this respect, I would like to support my argument of self-discovery with a very practical approach which is adopted in the multinational companies, and that is called SWOT analysis, SWOT. What is SWOT? This is an acronym actually for S stands for strengths, W stands for weaknesses, O stands for opportunities, and T stands for threats. Actually, this technique is credited to Albert Humphrey, who led a research project at Stanford University in the 1960s and 1970s. And the kind of ideas that he has presented, the kind of systematic analysis that he suggested, that has really brought a sea change in the world of corporate life. And most of the companies in the world today, they adopt this SWOT method. So here the question is, what are these techniques that we can adopt in our own life being a student? Because मैंने सबसे शुरुआत में कह दिया था in my introduction also that all these lectures are addressed to the students. If at all any parent or any teacher or anybody else is also listening to me, no problem. But my major target, my expected target audience is students. So can we really adopt this structured planning method that can really evaluate, the multifaceted, multi-talented students coming from vernacular languages, different backgrounds, different states, so on and so on. Right? So here you need to really think on these lines. So this particular point I want to convince with this diagram that I developed for you all. And this is the actual focus of my discussion today about self-discovery. Strength, weaknesses, opportunities and threats. अगर आप इस डायग्राम की तरफ देखें तो आपको समझ में आएगा कि इसमें 4 अलग-अलग एस्पेक्ट्स हैं, स्ट्रेंथ, वीकनेस, अपॉर्चुनिटी, थ्रेट्स। इसको आमतौर पर 2 डिवीजन में बांटा जा सकता है। एक तो इंटरनल, जो कि स्ट्रेंथ एंड वीकनेसेस इंटरनल फैक्टर्स है, अपॉर्चुनिटी एंड थ्रेट्स एक्सटर्नल फैक्टर्स है। उसी तरह से आप लेफ्ट एंड राइट देखिए, स्ट्रेंथ एंड अपॉर्चुनिटी पॉजिटिव एस्पेक्ट है, वीकनेस एंड थ्रेट्स निगेटिव एस्पेक्ट है। उसी तरह से आप अगर स्ट्रेंथ को देखें तो आप इसको बिल्ड कर सकते हैं, वीकनेस को देखें तो इसे ओवरकम कर सकते हैं, अपॉर्चुनिटीज को देखें तो आप एक्सप्लोर कर सकते हैं, और थ्रेट्स को देखें तो आप ओवरकम कर सकते। दिस डायग्राम आई वांट टू एक्सप्लेन यू ऑल so that you will be thinking on the right line with a very practical approach of your own, and that will be an attempt to discover yourself. So students, I was talking about this particular very practical method that we adopt in order to discover ourselves. I hope you will agree that each one of us has a few strengths, a few weaknesses. But the question is, when you look at strengths and weaknesses, these are the internal factors of our life. On the contrary, you have opportunity and threat, which are the external factors of your life. जहां तक हम स्ट्रेंथ्स और वीकनेसेस की बात करें, वहां आपको समझ में आएगा कि स्ट्रेंथ्स एंड वीकनेसेस आर एक्चुअली द इंटरनल फैक्टर्स. मेरी स्ट्रेंथ्स अलग हो सकती है, आपकी स्ट्रेंथ्स अलग हो सकती है. मेरी कुछ खामियां हैं, आपकी भी कुछ खामियां होंगी. So these are all related to person. My strengths and weaknesses are different than your strengths and weaknesses. लेकिन यहां प्रश्न ऐसा खड़ा होता है कि हमारा सामर्थ्य, जिसे हम स्ट्रेंथ कहते हैं, ठीक है, अच्छी बात है, पॉजिटिव बात है, बट व्हेन इट कम्स टू वीकनेसेस, जिसे हम खामियां कहते हैं, उसका क्या करें? Already you see this diagram here, specially developed for you. यहां पर मैंने स्ट्रेंथ को बिल्ड करने की कोशिश करने का सजेशन दिया. I want you all to list out what are your strengths, list out what are your weaknesses. As long as you keep on strengthening and building your strengths, you will realize that there are some of the weaknesses which are getting reduced in the course of time, because your approach should be to minimize your weaknesses and maximize your strengths. How to do it? It's a big question. You can comfortably do it, but you need to list out what are your strengths and what are your weaknesses. जब तक आप इन दोनों चीजों को अच्छे से समझ नहीं पाओगे और आप उसको आइडेंटिफाई करके कहीं एक पीस ऑफ पेपर के ऊपर लिखोगे नहीं, तब तक आपके समझ में नहीं आएगा कि what are your strengths and what are your weaknesses. Here I am giving you a suggestion that you need to put an effort to convert your weaknesses into strengths. And then again, you remember, what did I say in the beginning? First make a better you. To make the world much better, first make a better you. So much little time, so much to do. To make the world much better, first make a better you. जब आप इस लाइन पर जा रहे हो, when you are following this path, आपको ये समझना चाहिए कि अगर आप अच्छे हो, जितने अच्छे हो उससे और अच्छा बनना चाहते हो, तो आपकी खामियों को दूर करना पड़ेगा. Then you, one after the other, minimize your weaknesses, convert these weaknesses into strengths. Automatically you will build up with a better personality than you are. अब ये हुई दो चीजें, which are the internal factors of our existence. ठीक, स्ट्रेंथ को आपको बिल्ड करना है, वीकनेसेस को आपको ओवरकम करने के उपरांत उसे एक स्ट्रेंथ में कन्वर्ट करना है. नाउ आई विल टॉक अबाउट अपॉर्चुनिटी एंड थ्रेट्स. अब ये अपॉर्चुनिटी आपके हाथ की बात है? नहीं. आपके सीमा के अंदर आती है? नहीं. बिकॉज दीज आर द एक्सटर्नल फैक्टर्स. जो आप कुछ कर सकते, दैट इज इंटरनल. जो आपके नियंत्रण से परे है, that is something external called opportunities and threats. So depending on your own strength, you need to identify what are your opportunities. And once you identify your own opportunities, then you try to explore the opportunities so that you will be able to grab the opportunities in the course of time. Similarly, think on the similar line as I talked about weaknesses. As far as threats are concerned, there are so many threats in our life also that may be, creating a stumbling block in the way to your success. So try to overcome these threats and try to convert them into your opportunities. And if at all you could really do it, it means converting negatives into positives, improvising positives, looking into the internal factors, and trying to control the external factors. If at all you could really work on these 4 lines in 4 different directions, I can assure you that you will be really an influencing personality in a very short period of time. Now you see here, I will talk about each of the aspects with all possible finer details. If you really see your strengths and weaknesses, you will find that these are the current issues related to your survival, and they also demand to look back. It means, what are your strengths and weaknesses in the past? How did you improvise yourself as far as weaknesses are concerned, converted them into strengths? And then how many new strengths that you have really developed in the course of time? You can do some sort of, assessment. Similarly, if you really look at opportunities and threats, these are the factors which are already, I told you, external factors that demand forward looking. Strengths and weaknesses are backward looking and current perspectives. Opportunities and threats are forward looking. It means you need to anticipate for the coming time. You need to anticipate for the future. Because right now, when you are studying, maybe studying in BA, BCom, BSc, MA, MCom, MSc, or any other technical course that you are doing. Presently, you know that I am doing so and so course. But how do you come to know what are your opportunities and what are the threats in the way to your success? So gradually, first of all, you need to work on your strengths and weaknesses, then identify your opportunities, which are to be anticipated by you by looking forward in the future, and also try to think about the threats and see that whether you could really control these threats and convert them into opportunities. So according to the experts working in the multinational corporations, by performing the SWOT analysis, that is SWOT, strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats, we will be able to build a bridge between what the company has accomplished to date and the strategic alternatives that are going to be generated in the future. And I'm giving you this kind of example and the SWOT analysis method right now today, so you can anticipate for the coming time, you can anticipate for the future, and work on these lines and start doing whatever best you can really do in order to improve yourself. Already I said this SWOT analysis is a strategic, planning. In addition to all the discussions that I held, a SWOT analysis can be done for a product, for a place, for an industry. But today my focus is for a person like you and me. So a SWOT analysis helps with strategic planning for the discovery of an individual as far as his strengths and weaknesses are concerned. Strategic analysis actually refers to the process of conducting research, sometimes maybe on a company, maybe on individual, and its operating environment to formulate a strategy. That will be the higher goal, no doubt. But the point is, जब तक हम अपने सामर्थ्य को ना समझें और जब तक हम अपने खामियों को दूर ना करें, I think we will not be able to develop our personality as a versatile personality. The most common approach to SWOT analysis is to brainstorming. अब जितने भी सहभागी यहां पर मुझे सुन रहे हैं, प्लीज थिंक ऑन दिस लाइन. नंबर 1, make the analysis of your own capabilities for strengths. जितना भी आप समझते हो कि ये आपका सामर्थ्य है, try to identify it. Then you think about the gap analysis for weaknesses. See, this is suggested in the brainstorming. Similarly, you go for a strategic planning for the opportunities that you want to explore in the future, and also identify the threats that can work as the risk factor for your success. Right? So if you do all these, and that to a kind of brainstorming, all the participants, if you think for a few minutes, a kind of brainstorming session you can conduct, maybe for a couple of minutes or so, and then make the proper analysis of strengths, weaknesses, opportunities and threats, then you will realize that what you are. अगर आपका सामर्थ्य सबसे ज्यादा है संख्या में, तो आपकी वीकनेसेस कम होंगी. अगर आप में सामर्थ्य कम है और वीकनेसेस के पॉइंट ज्यादा मिल गए, तो शायद आपको सोचना पड़ेगा कि यू नीड टू वर्क अ लॉट in order to change your weaknesses into strengths. Similarly, you should have a very practical approach while looking for your opportunities in the days to come, that is the near future, and similarly risk identification for the threats as well. जहां तक strengths का सवाल आता है, think about it. What do you do well? अब कई सारे स्टूडेंट्स को यानी एक प्रश्न पड़ा होगा कि भाई ये स्ट्रेंथ कैसे आइडेंटिफाई करें. अगर आप इन क्वेश्चंस का आंसर देने की कोशिश करेंगे तो आपको समझ में आ जाएगा कि आपका सामर्थ्य क्या है. लिस्ट आउट. क्लास होने के उपरांत इसका आप स्क्रीनशॉट ले सकते हैं, और लेने के उपरांत आप एक काम कीजिए कि ट्राई टू आंसर दीज क्वेश्चंस. व्हाट आर द थिंग्स दैट यू कैन डू वेल? व्हाट डू यू डू वेल? ऐसे कौन से काम हैं जो आप अच्छे ढंग से अच्छे से कर पाते हो? नंबर 2, व्हाट डू अदर्स सी एज योर स्ट्रेंथ्स? आपके इर्द गिर्द जो है, आपके रिलेटिव्स है, मित्रगण है, सहपाठी है, उनसे पूछिए कि उनके दृष्टिकोण से आप में कौन सा सामर्थ्य है, आपके कौन से स्ट्रेंथ्स है. ट्राई टू आइडेंटिफाई, लिस्ट इट आउट. सिमिलरली, व्हाट डू एनालिस्ट कंसिडर टू बी योर स्ट्रेंथ्स? थोड़े जो प्रोफेशनल्स है आपके इर्द गिर्द, जो थोड़ी जानकारी रखते हैं, आपसे बुद्धिमत्ता में आगे, अनुभव से आगे, एज में आगे, ऐसे कुछ लोगों से पूछिए आप, जो कि आपका ढंग से एनालिसिस कर सके कि व्हाट आर द स्ट्रेंथ्स इन देयर ओपिनियन. फाइनली, व्हाट कैन यू डू पर्टिकुलरली वेल, ओके, रिलेटिव टू द कॉम्पिटिटर्स. जो भी आप काम कर रहे हैं, आप पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं, स्पर्धा परीक्षा की तैयारी कर रहे हैं, या जो कुछ भी आप कर रहे हैं, आपके जो कॉम्पिटिटर्स है, ऐसे कौन से एरियाज है जहां पर आप अच्छे से उनसे अच्छा कर पाते हो? आइडेंटिफाई दीज एरियाज. व्हाट रिसोर्सेज डू यू हैव? आपके पास कौन से संसाधन है, उसके बारे में सोचिए, और उसका आप कितना अच्छे तरीके से इस्तेमाल करते हो वो भी सोचिए. हर एक के घर में डिक्शनरी होगी, लेकिन हम every day how many words we are developing? It's a big question. And resources कई तरह के हो सकते हैं. इंटरनेट हर एक के फोन में है, आपने उसका पैक ले रखा है, लेकिन वही इंटरनेट आपके स्किल डेवलपमेंट के लिए आप कितनी बार इस्तेमाल करते हो दिन में, आप सोचिए। दीज आर ऑल्सो द रिसोर्सेस। व्हाट आर योर स्किल्स एंड कैपेबिलिटीज? फाइनली आपको लिस्ट आउट करना है कि आपके कौन से कौशल्य है और आपकी क्षमताएं क्या है। Once you list out all these, I can assure you, you will have a very, big size page or a couple of pages which are filled with your strengths. और यह क्लास होने के उपरांत आप इसे जरूर आजमाएं, आप इसे जरूर करके देखें। हो सके तो मुझे भी पोस्ट कर दीजिए, I'll just have a glance at it. Now, point number 2, that is your strengths that can be involved, because every person has a few or at least a few or maybe more different character facets which are the positives of your personality. Many people have creativity, enthusiasm, originality, honesty, humor, kindness, leadership, good at sports, good at social studies, social work. Many are good at problem solving, so on and so on. ऐसी कई तरह की स्ट्रेंथ्स है जो आप आइडेंटिफाई कर सकते एंड एनलिस्ट कर सकते। ऑलरेडी आई टोल्ड यू, एवरीवन हैज स्ट्रेंथ्स। इन फैक्ट, knowing your natural talent, skills, abilities, and personal accomplishments will bring you one step closer to choosing a major. So this sort of thing you are expected to do so that you will be able to improvise yourself. Similarly, you try to work out on your weaknesses also. अब weaknesses कैसे identify करें? What do you do poorly? ऐसे कौन से काम है जो आप अच्छे से नहीं कर पाते, उसका भी एनालिसिस कर लीजिए। What could you improve? ऐसे कौन से एरियाज है जहां आप इंप्रूव कर सकते, मतलब जो भी आपके वीकनेसेस है, खामियां हैं, उसे आप स्ट्रेंथ में कन्वर्ट कर सकते। उसके साथ ही What do competitors do better than you? मैंने आपसे पहले कहा है, आप पढ़ाई कर रहे हो, स्पर्धा परीक्षा की तैयारी कर रहे हो, आप किसी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के लिए काम कर रहे हो, आपके जो साथी है जिन्हें आप स्पर्धक मानते हो, यू ट्रीट देम एज योर कॉम्पिटिटर्स। ऐसे कौन से काम है जो आपसे वे लोग अच्छा कर पाते, उसका भी एनालिसिस कर लीजिए। व्हाट अदर्स लाइकली टू सी एज योर वीकनेस? आपके जो इर्द गिर्द लोग हैं, आपके मित्र हो या फिर कोई आपके रिलेटिव्स हो, उनसे पूछ लीजिए कि उनके दृष्टि से आप में कौन सी खामियां हैं। उनका ओपिनियन, आपका नहीं, उनका ओपिनियन। What do you have fewer resources than others? अगर आपके इर्द गिर्द या आपके कॉम्पिटिटर आपसे अच्छा कर पा रहे, तो ऐसे कौन से रिसोर्सेस आपके पास नहीं है जिससे आप पिछड़े हुए हो और उनके पास है जो आपके पास होने चाहिए, उसका भी आप एनालिसिस कर लीजिए। एंड व्हाट प्रोसेसेस एंड एक्टिविटीज कैन यू इंप्रूव? और ऐसी कौन सी प्रक्रियाएं हैं, ऐसी कौन सी कृतियां हैं या कौन सी एक्टिविटीज है दैट यू कैन इंप्लीमेंट और डू एंड इंप्रूव योरसेल्फ। जब तक हम इस तरह की कोशिश नहीं करेंगे, एक विद्यार्थी के रूप में आप कर सकते हो, कोई अगर एम्प्लॉय है तो एम्प्लॉय भी इस पर सोच सकता है, कर सकता है, देन ओनली you can convert your weaknesses into your strengths. लेकिन पहले पता तो चले कि what are the strengths and weaknesses. साथ ही यहां पर मैंने कुछ चीजें लिख रखी हैं आपके लिए। You can convert these weaknesses into your strengths, है ना? Being impatient, being lazy, being procrastinate, being passive, being shy, being fearful, ये जो बहुत बड़ी लिस्ट मैंने आपके सामने प्रस्तुत की है ना, ये सब हमारे वीकनेसेस है। अब आलसी बनना ये कोई अच्छी बात है? कतई नहीं। बॉसी बनना, दूसरों पर राज करना, ये कोई अच्छी बात है? कतई नहीं, है ना? दूसरों के बारे में हमेशा कुछ ना कुछ समीक्षा करना, नकारात्मक समीक्षा, क्रिटिकल ऑफ अदर्स, ये कोई अच्छी बात है? नहीं। दिल में डर होना या शर्माना, ये कोई अच्छी बात है? कतई नहीं। यानी ये सब चीजें जो मैंने यहां आपके सामने प्रस्तुत की है, ट्राई टू वर्क ऑन ऑल दीज थिंग्स सो दैट यू विल आइडेंटिफाई व्हाट आर योर weaknesses, and these weaknesses you can convert into strengths. Similarly, you get into the another aspect also. Now I'm talking about the opportunity. What good opportunities are open to you based on your own strengths that you can capitalize? What trends could you take? Okay, what are the trends that you could take advantage of? ऐसे कौन से ट्रेंड्स है जिसका आप फायदा उठा सकते हो? How can you turn your strengths into opportunities? मैंने ऑलरेडी कहा है कि अपॉर्चुनिटीज ग्रैब करने के लिए आपके पास सामर्थ्य होना चाहिए। तो ऐसा कौन सा सामर्थ्य आपका है जो आपको आपकी अपॉर्चुनिटी ग्रैब करने के लिए काम आएंगे और आप उसे डेफिनेटली एड्रेस कर पाएंगे? वेयर कैन यू अप्लाई योर स्ट्रेंथ्स? ऐसे कौन से स्ट्रेंथ्स है ना जो आप मतलब डिपेंडिंग ऑन द रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ द अपॉर्चुनिटीज वहां आप अप्लाई कर सकते हो? एंड हाउ डू यू एक्सप्लोर योर अपॉर्चुनिटीज? जब तक आपके एबिलिटीज के ऊपर, कैपेसिटी के ऊपर, कॉम्पिटेंस के ऊपर, स्ट्रेंथ्स के ऊपर आप सोचोगे नहीं, तब तक आप कौन सी अपॉर्चुनिटीज ग्रैब करने के लिए कार्यक्षम हो, ये आपके समझ में कभी भी नहीं आएगा। सो प्लीज वर्क ऑन दिस वन ऑल्सो, देन ओनली द थिंग्स विल मूव इन द राइट डायरेक्शन। There are 5 steps for gaining opportunities to make a significant difference. What are these? Know your purpose. Prepare yourself for the opportunities to fulfill your purpose. Reach out for those opportunities. Then, when you don't get the opportunities you want, handle the moment with class and move on. And when you do get an opportunity to fulfill your purpose, fully engage yourself in the opportunity so that you will be cashing on the bills. Actually, there are 7 different ways to attract opportunities to your life. Number 1, connecting with the people. Number 2, stepping outside the comfort zone. Number 3, being an expert in your field. Number 4, keep track of your accomplishments. Number 5, praise others. शायद हम यहाँ बहुत कम गिरते हैं. We don't like, praising others. We don't admire and appreciate people around. You should learn that, doing it again and again. See what areas you can improve. And finally, the 7th one is make yourself a mentor. अगर आप इन 7 चीजों को अपने व्यक्तित्व का अंश बना ले, आपके पर्सनालिटी का अंश बना ले, then I can assure you, you can definitely attract so many opportunities to your life. And finally, here you have threats and challenges to your life. What trends could harm you? ऐसी कौन से ट्रेंड्स है जो आपके करियर मेकिंग में हार्मफुल बन सकते हैं, उसके बारे में सोचिए. What is your competitor doing? आपका जो स्पर्धक है वो क्या कर रहा है जो आपके साथ स्पर्धा में इन्वॉल्व है. And what is the new competition expected? और आने वाले वक्त में ऐसा कौन सा एरिया है जो आपको एक नया कंपटीशन दे सकता. इस पर अगर आप सोचना शुरू करें, जैसे मैंने आपसे कहा था कि देयर आर SWOT मेथड, दैट इज स्ट्रेंथ, वीकनेसेस, अपॉर्चुनिटीज एंड थ्रेट्स. ये इस मेथड का हम जब इस्तेमाल करते हैं, सो डेफिनेटली these things can work out in the right line. So these deadliest means, threats, as I say, to success for each of us are different. जो मेरे थ्रेट्स अलग हो सकते हैं, आपके थ्रेट्स अलग हो सकते हैं, आपका कंपटीशन अलग हो सकता है, मेरा कंपटीशन अलग हो सकता है. It depends on everybody. But lack of focus, angry temper, status quo attitude, apathy for others, technology addiction, selfish nature and arrogance, अगर ये चीजें आपके पर्सनैलिटी में है तो माइंड इट वेल, कई सारी अपॉर्चुनिटीज आपसे दूर जा सकती है. तो सबसे पहले यू गेट रीड ऑफ ऑल दीज 7 पॉइंट्स दैट आई डिस्प्लेड ऑन योर स्क्रीन. नंबर 1, once again I repeat, lack of focus, anger, status quo, apathy, technology addiction, selfishness and arrogance. ये जो 7 खामियां हैं, इन चीजों को आप दूर करें, then you will realize that your personality is going on the way to be better and better every day. Once again, I begin with the same slide that I started with. First, make a better you. First, make a better you. So much little time, so much to do to make the world much better. First, make a better you. Strengths को improve करो, weaknesses को कम करो, opportunities को ढूंढो, threats को identify करो, convert your weakness into strength and identify your threats so that you can make them into your opportunities. ये जो वर्कशीट मैंने आपके सामने प्रस्तुत की है, कम से कम 5 पॉइंट्स हर कैटेगरी के अंदर आप सबको लिखने हैं, हो सके तो मुझे बाद में भेजने हैं, so that I will give my opinion in this respect. Similarly, you have, some of these. Suppose you ask me to write a few. I have just enlisted a few. For example, as far as strength is concerned, creativity. Then you have enthusiasm, right? Honesty, humor, kindness, so on and so on. Likewise, all these things have already been displayed over there. So thank you very much and see you again in the next week.